Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix the Chai region problem. First, if the Chai app isn't working because of a region restriction, don't worry. In some countries, access may be limited due to high server costs or service availability. One simple solution is to upgrade to Chai Premium. This is often the easiest way to bypass the region restriction and continue using the app without interruptions. Next, try installing an older version of the app. First, check the Play Store to see if a different version is available. Sometimes a recent update can cause compatibility issues in certain regions. If that doesn't help, Android users can download and install an older APK version from a trusted source. Once installed, open the app and check whether it works properly. Then, try using a VPN. Open your VPN app and connect to a server in a country where Chai is available. Wait for the connection to be established before launching the app. This can sometimes help if the restriction is based on your location. Now open the Chai app and check whether it loads correctly. You can also take a look at the available subscription plans and account options while you're there. If the issue continues, go back and open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. This is where you can manage all installed applications on your device. Here, search for Chai and tap on it to open the app information page. Now tap on Storage. Then tap on Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may be causing loading errors or other app problems without deleting your account data. After that, go back and open the Play Store. Search for Chai and tap Uninstall. Wait for the app to be completely removed from your device. Once the uninstall process is finished, tap Install to download the latest version again. After the installation is complete, open the app, sign into your account if needed, and check whether the region issue has been resolved. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.